Hello friends! Now I'm going to tell you how to cook one of the products of Gerasa. So anyways, Gerasa is a space for agri-sociopreneur product in the future with the theme of local economic development based on regional research potential. So here's not only plant with lemongrass but also other plants such as cassava, papaya and so on. Well, this was the lemongrass that I pulled out of the roots using this tool. It's not as easy as we thought at first, but over time we'll get used to taking it and this will be very easy. Then we clean the lemongrass like this by the knife, of course. After cleaning it, we go to the next step, which is cooking the gerasa wedang serai. Here it is. There is a brown sugar or palm sugar and also the ginger because we are going to make a ginger variant of gerasa wedang serai. And the most importantly is the lemongrass, although everything is also important here. And I can't tell you what the composition and how the composition is because it's a company secret. Just kidding. Meanwhile, Gerasa has 3 products, namely Sinom, Gerasa Wedang Serai or GWS powder and a bottle, and now there are 8 different flavors of Gerasa Wedang Serai bottle. So thank you guys for clicking this video. Hopefully Gerasa can be more useful in the future. It's such a pleasure if you'd like to follow us at gerasa.official on Instagram.